I've heard a lot of really, really great things about Orange Bike, about the way Professor Yesha runs it. I'm really hoping to take away some tools that I can use in my professional and personal life.
I expect to have some insights about my career path and maybe some organization methods of my life. But I'm open, so whatever comes, it's good. Whatever new insight I have, even if it's one, it's good.
My expectations is to get some insight about sort of a future, what's going to happen in the next 10, 20 years, and how am I going to fit into that?
I got no idea what to expect, really. I'll tell you what I'm looking for. I'm looking for any kind of mind-bending, brain-refreshing technique that could help me do innovation.
My expectation to enjoy and be exposed to something new and just have a good time.
I'm not sure what to expect, but it sounded interesting, intriguing, and hopefully a new way of thinking kind of to move forward.
First of all, fun. Second is open my mind to new ideas and new tips for life and get better in what I do.
I don't have many expectations, but I know it's about time management and managerial skills, so I hope to learn.
I expect to gain different new experience, which can be very wide open, different kind of experiences, meeting different people, having different conversations, gaining different way of thinking, and I'm really looking for something which is really creative. To enlarge my creativity.
I can benefit from knowledge and especially from a different out-of-the-box kind of way to look at things.
If I could get a fresh perspective on life, my job, on innovation or the high-tech industry.
I'm looking for personal improvement for my own life and business-wise as well.
As a founder and CEO of startups, I need to gain extra skills, extra ways to handle the noise and to handle the tasks. I want to gain something in that area.
I work consulting with companies on their marketing and strategy, and I'm hoping that this might give me a new point of view to be even more effective. And as far as I know, Yesha is a really smart man, so quite hopeful.
I'm open to new ideas. I'm open to new way of looking at situation in life, and I'm open, just in general open. Okay.